Hello, in this video we'll learn how to integrate AI into your 3D artist workflow. I'll show you how you can augment, not replace, yourself. First, how you can use AI to generate reference images if you are never good at drawing and painting, and then modeling what the AI generated for you, using your artistic discretion to mix and match various concept art to create a final design. Second, how you can use AI to generate background props that are meant to be seen at a distance. Third, how you can use AI to generate models that you can then clean up to create high-quality assets. Fourth, how you can use AI to generate 3D reference images you can reference to create your own new design, like 3D reference art. Fifth, how you can model a prop and then render it and even animate it with ChatGPT and Sora, adding camera movement and even a realistic animated scene for your object to inhabit. Sixth, how you can use AI to upscale and up-res old textures. This course is intended for people who already have some knowledge in using 3D programs, who would like to know how they can integrate various AI apps to boost and speed up their workflow. As various new technologies are released, I will continue to update the course. I hope this course can help you to be a more productive 3D artist and shorten tasks that used to take a lot of time to do. The course is currently available on Gumroad, and it will soon be available on Udemy as well. So if you want to get on Udemy, check back in a few days, it'll be there as well. Links are in the description. Thank you for watching and take care.